can birth control play a role? I stopped taking it at the same time as my injury.
I can
Could I
see
have
that
made
one.
my PCS worse? Um, it's hard to know. I think this is from Brooke.
Yeah.
It's hard to know, Brooke. I think that we don't really have that data. What I will say is this, is that if you stop taking your birth control pill right after your concussion, you probably made the imbalance, whichever was occurring before, if you had any, which most of the cases there was some, which is the reason that people start taking it, or if it's straight for just contraception, that's a different story. Remember, sometimes the birth control pill can just not allow the ovaries to properly produce estrogen and progesterone because they basically just suppress them. The body has this like feedback loop that if it's getting synthetic outside hormones, it's going to stop producing it itself. So there is like post-birth control infertility. There's post-birth control syndrome. I've seen this. Dr. Carrie Jones, a colleague of mine, posts about this all the time. So if you want to go like find more about that, I would find her Instagram. That's Dr. Carrie Jones, and she talks about birth control pill and all the kind of subtle effects that we often just don't even attribute to birth control. Not to mention that it can deplete a lot of nutrients, like B6, for example. But so it's hard to tell, Brooke, whether that it might have done nothing, but definitely it would lead me to say you should probably get your hormones fully assessed and taken care of.